you doing? All right, for those of you who missed our morning briefing on Facebook, we're up basically for the same reasons we were down yesterday, or the lack of that. So we have political unrest in Hong Kong that has largely eased as they've pulled that provision that was going to allow the Chinese government to extradite people from Hong Kong to the mainland. That's what that's the main thing that that these protests over the last 3 months were about. So that sent all the Asian stocks, especially Chinese, up about 4%, and that pulled Europe up with it, which is not conversely, same thing, pulling us up as well. And then Brexit. There's our bell here. Brexit. There's basically a lot of Boris Johnson's conservative pals jump ship, and that sets the tone for them to hold new elections, which ultimately kicks the can down the road. Outside of that, we have a bunch of Fed speakers that are going to be speaking this morning, and this morning actually, and then throughout the day, because they are going to be entering their blackout period soon.